So today we are going to learn how to make dolman sleeve. For making the dolman sleeve, we will place the bodies first, front on grain line, straight. We'll trace it out. Then we will add the back. After taking the 0.5 inches gap from the shoulder line, lowest shoulder point, we will trace the back. This is our back and we will trace it by placing shoulder here and the back there. Then after take the center point of this line and we will add the grain line of the sleeves from here. We will place the sleeves line here. So I will show you how to make the dolman sleeve. This is my brown paper. This is my front line. So I will trace my front like this. This is the grain line. I will trace out my front. This is my front. So now I have to take 0.5 inches from this shoulder slope. I will mark the marking of 0.5 inches and then I will take the center of 0.5 inches to mark the grain line. Then I will trace the back like this. So this is my front and back, and then I will take the center line to add the sleeve line. This will identify my grain line like this. Now on this grain line I will add my sleeves S curve towards the front and C curve towards the back like this. This is my center line and this is my sleeves. Now I am going to trace my sleeves on this like this. So this is my front, this is my back, and this is my sleeves, front and back, right? So now we will take 2 inches gap from this side here till here. I'll mark it, and 2 inches gap on back like this. Then I will make a curve on this. Now I am going to make a curve on this, which is 1.5 inches upper. As you can see here, from this line we have to take 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches here, and we have to make the curves for joining our sleeves like here. So we will add this. I'll mark 1.5 inches from this line, from here till here. You can add up to 1 inches or 1.5 inches, and we will make the curves, C curves, by using the French curves like this. So now this is my sleeve. I will cut out this area, this and this. This is my sleeves. I will show you the cutout. So this is my cutout front and back portion of the bodies, and this is my sleeves. It will attach like this. It will come up like this. Dolman sleeves should be attached with the dolman bodies as it is cut on from the bodies portion, so it should be attached with the dolman bodies only.